Okay guys, Jim with leakfinder.com. So I want to show you the inside of this burner chamber. This is why maintenance is always necessary. This specific unit is about 13 years old, but no maintenance has been done. We even have so much as small pieces of wood chips inside of here. And also we're dealing with some leaking through the heat exchanger, the primary heat exchanger of the NR081. Let me make sure I actually got that correct. I'm sorry, NR83 DVC direct vent. And we do have a leak in the secondary or primary heat exchanger. That's where that water's coming from back there. That's why that entire back wall is wet. Combustion has just been so bad because this got completely plugged. We have everything from insects to tree debris. We got a lot of stuff in here. So we know that the maintenance is we're beyond a maintenance point here. This specific unit right here is going to probably have to be replaced and probably go with an Easy 111 or Easy 98, somewhere right around there. Other than that, the setup of the unit itself was okay. Installation was fine. Let's see here. That's about it, guys. So just kind of keeping an eye out. Again, when you're doing your maintenance on these, gas burner chamber, again, is always such an essential part for cleaning. And we'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.